Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I, Tanu Srivastava, explaining the topic queries, form and report. In this video, we will know how to use the query, form and report. First, we will know about the query. When we are using the query, we have to make one or more tables. We can create query using the create option. For the query, we get two options, query wizard and query design. For the query design, you will get four options, simple query, cross tab query, find duplicate query and find unmatched query. Simple queries show the only selected data which we want to see. Cross tab query uses row heading and column headings so that we can see data in terms of two categories at once. Find duplicate query wizard. Duplicate query wizard is used to quickly locate possible duplicate entry. Try to understand with an example. Suppose two customers have been entered using different ID. So when we are presenting the information, that is difficult to find the information. For that purpose, duplicate query wizard is used. Unmatched query wizard. Unmatched query wizard creates a query that finds record in one table that have no related record in another table. We select any kind of query and click on the OK. Using that, we can create the query using the query wizard. Now we will see the design view, query design. When we work with the query design, it is divided into two panes. Query design is called the design view. It gives more control over a query. It allows you to create a query from the scratch. We can specify more than one condition using this view. This is divided into two parts, top pane and the bottom pane. Top pane display the show table dialog box, which we can select the record source from the query. In this pane, we will see the created table is displaying with the add option. Bottom pane shows the design grid. Design grid is divided into several categories. Field. The first row display the selected field name from the table. When we have to select the field on which basis we want to apply the query. When we select the field, table name will be automatically filled. Show. It display a check mark. The field with the check mark displays the information when the query is run. Sort property is used to display the information in ascending or descending order. Criteria option is used to set the single condition. Criteria option is used to add the single condition, and or is used to set the multiple criteria in the design view of the query. Look, this is the window of the query design. You can see two tables are displaying to add for the query, and the bottom part is called the design grid, having different options. And after adding all the information, when you select the field name, table field will be automatically filled. And after this, we have to check the view option to see the query output. Now we will see the form. Form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in the specific field. It allows you to add, update, modify or delete the data. When we use the form in MSSS, use this platform to add the data. That data is automatically filled with the automatically stored in the table. The same work of the datasheet view and the form view, but only the difference is that when we work with the datasheet view, it shows all the information together, but form displays only one record at a time on which we can perform different operations like the insertion, deletion and the updation. when we are working with MS Access, we can store the table and the form with the different name, but although we are using the same file, we are working with the form and everything will be stored in a table. There are different views of the form. Form view. It is used to view the form. We can add the information or we can see the information. Design view and layout view is used for the designing of the form. We can change the appearance of the form. You can see this is the form. All the in the left side you can see the field name, and in the right side you can see the information. And when we have to move to the next, at the bottom you can see the navigation pan 1 of 4. Using that we can move from one record to another record. It displays only one record at a time. This is the vacant report. Using that we can add more data with the form. Now we will know about the report. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. We can see the report using the create option and the report tab, report group. Different type of views of report. Report view, in this view we can only view the report. We cannot do any kind of changes in this view. Print preview. This view allow you to see how the report will look when printed. That means it shows only the output that will display on a paper. Layout view. Using that we can design the report. We can change the appearance of the report. And the design view. This view only the structure of the report that can be modified and customized as per the requirement. Look, this is the output of the report. Information, date, time, everything will display at the top. If you want to add the report name and the logo, you can add in the left side, and the report will display in the same manner.